So let us continue with the next step of website development. Let us start from where we left it in the last video. Creating post for website. Let's go back to the dashboard and start creating post. What is a post? In simple language, it's an article or piece of information that may contain text, images, links, and videos. Every new post will appear on the first page at the top of old post. Starting from scratch, let us create our first post. From WordPress dashboard, go to Post and click on Add New. This is the editor of WordPress called Gutenberg, available in WordPress version 5 onwards. Earlier, there was a classical editor, and many developers are still using the same even today. However, I will teach you the latest editor called Gutenberg, having more options and latest features. Type here title of your post like The Future of Marketing or Digital Marketing. Now to add anything to the post like text, image, audio, video, etc., you have to add a new block. Actually, this editor works on the basis of blocks, and a block represents one section of your website. There are different ways of adding blocks. You can use this plus sign or this plus sign. The block used to enter the plain text is called paragraph block, which is the default block of Gutenberg. Just type text in the block. If you want to edit the block content, there are settings available for every block. Select the block and settings will appear on the right hand side and at the top of the block as well. On the top of block, few settings are self-explanatory, like to bold the text, make it italic, and so on. You can change the font size from text settings. You can also customize the font settings from here. You can use the drop cap to make the first letter large, like this one. You can also change the background color and text color from color settings like this. Now to save the post, click Publish. You can also see the preview before publishing. Publishing means it is live now, and you or anyone else can see your post live in your website. Let us see the preview. Once you are satisfied, press Publish and again Publish. Wow! Your post is live now. Check it here. Now let us add few more blocks to our post. First, adding an image. By putting the cursor at the end of the text, press Enter. A space for new block will appear. Click plus sign and click Image. Now you have three options to select an image. If it is on your desktop, click Upload. If you want any previously used image, click Media Library, as the WordPress saves all previously used images. You can also insert image URL from any website, as we are using image first time, so click Upload and select appropriate image to insert in blog. Click Open. Your image is added. Just select the image. You will see lot of settings appear. Like, you may write the caption, which is optional. You may resize the image from these blue dots. If you want to replace the image, use this Edit button. You may also use alignment and width options. You can also insert new block between two blocks as well. Like, I want to add heading, click here, this plus sign and click heading. Type your heading here in the space. You can use 6 levels of headings from H1 to H6. Each level will change the size of heading. Let us centralize it. How to insert gallery to the post? What is a gallery? Gallery consists of multiple images in a grid form. Here are few examples of gallery. A gallery in the post or page increases the engagement time of your visitor. Moreover, it provides wonderful visual look to the web page. In a gallery, it's better to use the original images. However, if you want to download the royalty-free images from the net, there are free popular sites like Unsplash, Shutterstock, Pixabay, etc., from where you can download thousands of royalty-free images without any copyright issue. Let us first insert the heading. Our heading is ready. Now let us add gallery to the post. To insert gallery block, click plus sign and click gallery. Either from desktop or from media gallery, select multiple images and click create gallery and insert gallery. Gallery is ready. Don't you think it's looking wonderful? Yes, it's looking awesome. Further, you can also increase the number of columns of your gallery and update it. If you want to add more images to the gallery later on, use this plus sign. Any setting related to the gallery will be available on the right side of the block. Let us review the page and update to save the changes. How to add video to the post? Video is another great way of enhancing the quality of the post or a page. According to Render Forest survey, 78% of website owners got more traffic to their website after using videos, and 71% of them claimed that because of video, average time on your website has increased. Therefore, one should use videos in the website by keeping in mind the target audience. Now let us see how to add video to the post. Before you start the process of adding videos to the post, please upload your video to any popular video site like YouTube and copy the URL of that video. Suppose I want to add the video from YouTube, then add YouTube blog. As it is not visible here, just search for this block here, typing YouTube. It's here, click it. The URL that you have copied, paste it here and press the embed. Wow! Your video is added here. To save it, click on update. You can see these changes in your website as well. Now let us add few more blocks to your website. How to insert a quote block to the website? When you want to use popular quotes or special sentences in the web page and want they should look highlighted, then quote blocks come very handy for this purpose. Let me show you how to use it. Add a quote block, enter some text and give citation. You can see the text is highlighted creatively. You can make some changes in the look and feel of the quote from here. This is the quote block. How to insert a link on a given word. We cannot explain everything in our post. Sometimes we have to give the external link on important terms and phrases about which our readers may be interested to learn more. You must have noticed in case of Wikipedia, where links are provided for important terms. But how to insert them? It's very simple. There is no separate block for it in the WordPress. You can insert links on text, images, or any other element of the web page. Select the text where you want to insert the link, like the word barrier, and click this icon. Enter the URL of any internal or external page. If you want, link should be opened in a new window. Click this gear icon and select the option. Press enter. Link is created. Let us test it in the preview section. Yes, it is working. The meaning of word barrier is explained here in the new web page for which we inserted the link. How to embed social media links? As we know, social media is playing an important role in our daily lives and has implications for marketers too. Sometimes there is a need to embed the post from social media profiles into the post to have the better visibility and connect with the audience. Let us see how to embed social media post in a web page. First, Facebook. Add a Facebook block from embed section or search for it. Select the Facebook post and you want to embed. From these three dots, select embed, select advanced settings, copy this URL and paste it here and embed. It will not show the preview here. To preview it, press preview. Yes, it is there. That is all. Now let us see how to embed post from Instagram. Add a block for Instagram from this plus sign. Go to embed and add Instagram. Now from Instagram, click these three dots and copy the link. The link is copied and insert here. Press embed. That is done. Same way, a tweet from Twitter can be embedded. Just follow me. So, we have learned so many new things in connection with website development. In this video, we learned how to create a post by adding various blocks such as image, text, social media profiles, and videos. Amazing and interesting. If you want to learn more, join me in the next video.